Another box on the table from Blue Creek Knives? Absolutely. Let's check out what's inside. Yeah, guys, we've got another box from Brian from Blue Creek Knives. Why? Well, because Brian is awesome. I am an affiliate for Blue Creek Knives, and he's been really awesome about sending stuff out for his affiliates to check out, which is really cool. But one more thing, guys, he has got a 1,000th order giveaway going on Blue Creek Knives right now. So head on over there, check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can go check it out. But welcome back to BigRedEDC, guys. We're going to get into this box. Got a pretty good idea of what's in it. So we're going to zoom in real quick, and I'm going to get it open, and we're going to check it out. Oh, we're opening it up with the Reciprocity from Finch, also carried at Blue Creek Knives. Well, the Finch knives are the Reciprocity. Should be coming out later on this month. That's what we're hearing. So very cool. Oh, what is this? Well, of course, we always get the awesomeness from Brian, but we've got a box. We've got a nice box of awesomeness right here. Of course, you get some candy. You get his awesome new holographic skull stickers. Those are cool. You get the OG Blue Creek Knives stickers. And, oh man, more Desert Storm trading cards. That is cool. Very cool. But there is definitely something else in this box. We're going to put one of those right there. Move those out of the way. Check that out. This is one of the fitted hats. Oh, dang. Flex. Large, extra large. I'm going to throw this on real quick. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Sweet. I have one of the trucker hats, and now I have one of the Flex Fit for what, well, KC calls it the bald guy hat. I'm going to leave this on because this is really cool. I'm going to be wearing this today. But I call it cold weather hat. KC calls them the bald guy hat. So there you go. But yes, indeed, this is what I was expecting. He asked me, hey, you know, pick a knife that you want to check out. So we've got the Kubey KU003B. So we're going to check this guy out and open it up. Again, Reciprocity. Finch Knives also carried at Blue Creek. And don't forget, guys, I do have an affiliate link down in my description. You click that affiliate link, you automatically save 10%, which is awesome. And it also helps out the channel. I get a little bit of a kickback, a little bit of a commission, which I end up putting into knives to give away on the channel. And we should be having a Blue Creek Knife affiliation knife coming up here pretty soon. So keep your eyes open. This is the Kubey KU003 Bravo. Green G10. Nice, sticky, not sticky, but grippy G10. I like that. Good grippy G10. Kubey's been making knives for quite a while now. Looks like we've got a deep carry pocket clip. Recessed screws. Centering is on point. Ooh, looky there. We got kind of a Tanto blade going on there. Nice. Looks like maybe a bead blasted finish on it. Very cool. I'll have to look it up and get a little bit more familiar with this one. What? Not too familiar with this one. Holy guns. That was a dropper. Detent seems pretty good. Whoo. All right. Just first off. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. Kubey is doing some good stuff. As you know, our good friend Casey, his pinion was just OEM'd by Kubey. Very nice. That's a dropper, man. The action on this thing is kind of silly. It's nice. Flip flop. Cool. Right on. Well, just a quick unboxing today, guys. Wanted to get this out there. I was going to do a midweek mayhem this week, but I can't. I have a physical therapy appointment for my knee, trying to get that knee to work again like it's supposed to. Not sure it ever will, but hey. So, no midweek mayhem this week, guys, so I wanted to make sure I got this one out there. But don't forget about Blue Creek Knives. Don't forget about his 1,000 subscriber, or 1,000 order giveaway, excuse me, 1,000th order giveaway going on right now. There will be a link down in the description. Super prize packages he's got going on over there. Really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for joining me this afternoon. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.